Look at all these colorful cups. Let's add all these colorful balls to the middle. Let's use this wooden spoon to match the balls to the colored cups. This is an orange ball, and it goes in the orange cup. This is a purple ball, and it goes in the purple cup. This is a red ball. It goes in the red cup. This is a black ball, and it goes in the black cup. Next is gray. This is the gray ball, and it goes in the gray cup. This is a pink ball, and it goes in the pink cup. This is a white ball, and it goes in the white cup. This is a blue ball, and it goes in the blue cup. This is a yellow ball, and it goes in the yellow cup. This is a brown ball, and it goes in the brown cup. This is a green ball, and it goes in the green cup. Let's say the colors. White, blue, black, yellow, green, purple, gray, red, orange, brown, pink.